What's going on, everyone? You're watching the Iron Gordon channel. Thank you for being here. Today, I got a Felix the cat wood cutout that I just wrapped up, and I'm going to explain some of my thoughts about it at the end of the video, but for now, let's get into the project. Okay, let's recap on what it is I made here. First of all, 2019 marks the 100-year anniversary of Felix the cat, so I wanted to do something that would commemorate him. The background with the black and yellow pattern is a reference to Felix's magical bag that he carried around with him. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. It ended up being pretty big. It's about 24 inches tall by 18 inches wide. So when you have a lot of artwork sitting around your house just waiting to sell, it makes it a little bit harder to store. Speaking of that, if you are interested in buying artwork that I have for sale, you can check the link in the description for my big cartel. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. You can find that link in the description as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll try better next time.